Lost your favorite GIFs on a OnePlus phone? Don't worry. In this video, I'll show you 4 reliable ways to recover deleted GIFs, with or without a backup. Option 1. How to perform OnePlus GIF recovery by a recently deleted folder. Open Photos or Gallery albums recently deleted. Find your GIFs, select them, and tap Restore. Option 2. How to restore deleted GIFs from OnePlus via HeyTap Cloud. Go to Settings HeyTap Cloud and sign in. Check Photos or Album or Trash. Find your GIFs, and tap Restore. Option 3. How to recover GIF from OnePlus via Restore Image Photo Recovery. Download Restore Image from Google Play. Open it. Allow permissions, scan storage, find your GIFs, then tap Restore. Option 4. How to make OnePlus GIF recovery with the highest success rate. In more complex cases, Doctor for Android offers a professional-level recovery solution. It performs flexible scans of device storage to retrieve deleted GIFs even after they are removed from local folders. How to recover deleted GIFs from OnePlus with Doctor for Android. Install and open the tool on your PC. Connect your OnePlus via USB and enable USB debugging. Choose Photos, run a scan route if needed, preview, select, and click Recover to save.